Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this very easy two-braided Afro puff style that I use a drawstring ponytail. But first I'm going in with my Miel Rosemary drops, and edges first, ladies. Make sure to treat your edges, and I'm going to go ahead massage that in. Now you're just going to go ahead, part your hair down the middle and part your hair down on both sides near your ear, and put your hair in the ponytail in the back. As you can see, take you some Shine and Jam and put on your hair and go ahead and braid 2 braids going down your face on both sides. If you're not good with braids, don't worry, I am not a professional braider either. I tried to feed in some hair, just a little bit of hair to give it some length, because I was going for like 2 long braids going down the side, just pizzazzing up the hairstyle, adding a little flavor, something different. These hairstyles are for the average woman that's trying to learn how to do their hair without breaking the bank and not going to the salons. These are easy styles, quick and easy, that you can just do it and go out the door to the store or wherever it is to work you need to go. So now I'm going in and I'm just putting some baby hairs there. And the reason why I love baby hairs is because it helps to disguise my fine, thin edges, and it just gives that camouflage. So now I'm going ahead and parting a little bit out of the ponytail to give it a leave out, because I'm going to go ahead with a drawstring ponytail or half wig, and it has a big thick band where the tuck comb goes across in the front. So I'm trying to leave some leave out there and going in with this gel by Aunt Jackie's to try to twist my own natural hair into the curls. But my hair is quite thin right there in that section for that band, so I did the best that I could to try to camouflage it. If you have thicker hair, it may work a little bit better. There is another method that I'm going to try the next time that I learn with a crochet needle to try to cover that band. But yeah, this is what I did, but I wasn't feeling it, so I went ahead and took some of my S-Curl activator and tried to add some moisture to the curls to flatten it out a little bit. I don't know, it was just a little boofy or something was off. And then I tried to take the 2 braids and tie it behind to see if I liked it that way, and it came out okay. I don't know if I was just having a bad hair day or just wasn't feeling my hairstyles this day. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I think it turned out kind of cute, but I decided, I changed my mind because of that hairband, and I went with a different drawstring ponytail that is a lot thinner, and you can see when I open it up that I had to flatten it out, and I just went ahead and pinned that down in the back and took some hairpins and pinned it down, and it gave me a better disguise in the top of my hairline. So this worked a little bit better. This is what the final look turned out. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye, see you later.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy